Welcome to our guide on the best freelancing niches for beginners. If you're looking to dive into the freelancing world, you're in the right place. Let's explore some high-demand niches that are easy to start. First up, we have virtual assistants. A virtual assistant helps businesses with administrative tasks remotely. To start, you need a computer, internet access, and organizational skills. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and realistically, you can earn between $15 to $30 an hour. Next is content writing. This involves creating articles, blog posts, or website content. To begin, sharpen your writing skills and build a portfolio. Tools like Grammarly can help with editing. Websites like ProBlogger and TextBroker are great for finding clients, with earnings ranging from $20 to $50 per article. Moving on to social media management. This role entails managing a brand's social media presence. Start by familiarizing yourself with different platforms and tools like Hootsuite. You can find clients through networking or job boards with potential earnings of $20 to $70 an hour. Data entry is another accessible niche. It involves inputting information into databases or spreadsheets. All you need is attention to detail and basic software skills. You can find gigs on sites like Clickworker, with earnings typically around $10 to $20 an hour. Graphic design is a creative niche that requires design software skills, like Adobe Creative Suite. Build a portfolio and showcase your work on platforms like Behance. Clients can be found on 99 Designs or Fiverr, with earnings ranging from $20 to $100 per project. Video editing is in high demand as video content grows. You'll need editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro. Start by editing personal projects to build a portfolio. Look for clients on Upwork or Freelancer, with potential earnings of $20 to $80 an hour. Lastly, we have AI-assisted services. This emerging niche involves using AI tools to enhance productivity, such as chatbots or content generation. Familiarize yourself with popular AI tools and offer your services on platforms like LinkedIn. Earnings can vary widely, but many charge $50 an hour or more. In conclusion, freelancing offers a wealth of opportunities for beginners. Choose a niche that resonates with you, invest time in learning, and start building your client base. The freelancing world is waiting for you!